9 Telltale Signs of Impostor Syndrome. Some high achievers share a skeleton in the closet, where it counts they feel like finished sheets. They stress that they'll be uncovered as unskilled fakers and say their achievements have been because of good fortune. This mental wonder, known as imposter syndrome, reflects is the center conviction that you are deficient, bumbling, and a disappointment, in spite of confirmation that demonstrates you're talented and effective. Imposter syndrome influences individuals to feel like a scholarly misrepresentation, rendering them unfit to disguise, not to mention celebrate, their accomplishments. Studies have demonstrated this absence of self-conviction is corresponded with uneasiness, low certainty, and self-undermine. From a mental point of view, imposter syndrome might be impacted by specific calculates early life, especially the improvement of specific convictions and state of mind towards progress and one's self-esteem. How about we investigate precisely what considerations gone through the psyches of individuals with imposter syndrome? Do any of these apply to you? 1. I'm a phony and I will be discovered. 2. I luck out. 3. In the event that I can do it, anybody can. 4. I had a ton of assistance. 5. I had associations. 6. They're simply being pleasant. 7. Disappointment isn't an alternative. 8. I'm almost certain or I sort of think. 9. I influenced it to up as I went. What to do if you struggle with imposter syndrome? Some of these contemplations may play on a circle in your mind and add to the self-question that energizes imposter syndrome. They might be oblivious or you might know about the. You may relate to a portion of the above considerations and emotions, however not others. An extraordinary initial phase in beating imposter syndrome is to recognize the musings to yourself and even to other individuals. You can likewise take this free course on overseeing self-uncertainty and creating relentless certainty. Make sure to likewise impart your encounters to confided and companions, family, and partners. You'll be shocked what number of can relate.